Hello dear students, welcome to the online education of class 6 science. So dear students, in the previous class we were discussing about pinhole camera and how it works, and we also studied in the previous class about the natural pinhole camera, that is the lights. Sometimes when you are going under a tree, so we observe that the large spaces between the large number of leaves are present in a tree. So between the small patches of the sun we will see in between the gaps of the leaves. Okay, so those circular images, in fact they are pinhole images of the sun that we have studied in the previous class. Okay, so now let's go for the activity number 6 here. So before that, so there is some discussions are going on. Bujo has thought that we saw many upside down images of the people, okay, on the road, so with our pinhole camera. So what about the images of the sun? Did we notice them to be upside down or anything like that? You have to think about that. So Paheli has the thought that surely all the results that we are seeing, formation of shadows and pinhole images, are possibly only if light moves in a straight path. Yes, of course. Okay, see here, whatever the results that we are seeing, no, the formation of shadows and pinhole images, they are all possible only if light travels through a straight path or a straight line. If not, we would not be able to see the shadows, we would not be able to see the pinhole images. So for that, there is activity number 6 is there. Let's go through that. Okay, so let us use a piece of pipe or a long rubber tube. One piece of pipe you have to take, or very long rubber tube you have to take. So light a candle. So one candle you have to take and light it up and fix it on a table. Just put it on a, fix it up on a table. Okay, at one end of the room, at one corner and end of the room, you fix a candle, lighted the candle on the one table. Okay, one end of the room. So now standing at the other end of the room. So now you have to stand in the another end of the room and look at the candle which is fixed on the table through the pipe which you have with you, plastic pipe, piece of pipe or a long rubber tube. Okay, so look at the figure 11.7a. So here, is the candle visible to that person who is waving the candle through a pipe? Yes. Now look at the figure 11.7b. So here, bend the pipe a little. Little you have to bend the pipe with your hand. Okay, while you are looking at the candle. So is the candle visible to a person now? Yes. Think of it. So turn the pipe a little to your right or left. Now turn the pipe to a little you turn it to your left or right. Can you see the candle now still also? Yes. So what do you conclude from this? So when you do these all three kinds of activities, so it suggests that the activity suggests us that light travels along a straight line or a straight path, isn't it? Yes. So that's why opaque objects obstruct it and shadow forms. That's why the light always travels in a straight line. So whenever an opaque object is held in the path of the light which is falling from the sun to the earth, so the objects obstruct it, stop it, then it leads to a formation of the shadows. So here figure 11.7, if you see here, the pipe is straight direction, so hence we are able to see the image of the candle through the pipe, wherein 11.7b picture where the pipe is bent, so hence we are unable to see the image of the candle. So dear students, I hope you understood the concept now. What is that? Light always travels in a straight line. So remaining concept, let me explain you in tomorrow's class. Thank you and have a nice day.